Pass any exam by Practices Rescue and Ivy Learning. If you're a medical professional, you had to pass certifications and exams. Professional licensing is designed to limit competition. The exams get harder each year. Ivy Learning can help you pass any exam. But here's a simple step-by-step way to pass any exam. Step 1, set this as a priority. Don't schedule any trips during this time. Don't have anything else scheduled for this time. Set aside a time each day for study. Step 2, read the material every day. As you read, paraphrase material in your own words. As you read the questions, rephrase them in your own words. As you put them in your own words, you'll understand the concepts. People learn from repetition, so repeat this every day. Study this in the morning when you first wake up, 15 minutes. First break, study 15 minutes. Lunch, study while eating a sandwich, 30 minutes. At night, study 3 hours. Weekends, study 5 hours a day. Step 3, once you know the material, you're ready for questions. Every question will have a concept, a key. You had to get the key. Each question will try to confuse you with a twist. Once you understand the key and identify the twist, you must examine each question carefully and understand it. Each exam question will have 4 options. 2 of them will be obviously wrong. 2 of them will be close to correct. If you have no clue, your odds are 50-50, so flip a coin. If you have 3 months before exam, start now. Study every day. Restate each question in your own words so you completely understand the key. Study the practice questions so you're prepared for the twist. For info, go to www.practicesrescue.com.